representing the statistics data by the frequency curve. Booklet page 72. In number 2, on the Orphan Day, a group of students donated amounts of money in pounds, shown in the following table. I have here in the table money in pounds and the number of students. The students who donated from 3 to 5 pounds are 7 students. From 5 to 7 pounds are 10 students. From 7 to 9 pounds, 15 students. From 9 to 11 pounds, 10 students. And from 11 to 13 pounds are 8 students. Here I have from 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, so that I have to add one more number after it, it's 13. I have to draw the frequency polygon for this frequency distribution. Okay, first I have to bring my graph paper. I will put my x-axis and my y-axis. I have to plot the money in pounds on the x-axis and the number of students on the y-axis. I will put the money as it is, the amount of money as it is. First, I have to put my origin point, 0, and then I will divide every one square like this. And also on the y-axis, I will put it every one square, a dot every one square. And then I will put the money in pounds on the x-axis as it is, from 3 to 5, and then 7, and then 9, and then 11, and then I will add one more, 13. On the y-axis, I have to put table 1. As here I have the numbers 7, 10, 15, 10, 8, so I will put table 1. I will not put the number as it is. I will write here table 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13, 14, and 15. All my numbers in the table must be found on the y-axis. And then I will start to draw. I have here from 3 to 5, the number of students is 7. So I will go up from 3, from the x-axis, the money here, till I reach 7. So from 3 to 5, I have 7 students. And then from 5 to 7, I have 10 students. So from 5, I will go up to 10, and I will draw my bar. So from 5 to 7, I have 10 students. And then from 7 to 9, I have 15 students. So I will go up from 7 till I reach 15, and I will draw my bar. And from 9 to 11, I have 10 students. So I will go up from 9 till I reach 10 on the y-axis, and I will draw my bar. And then from 11 to 13, I have 8 students. So I will go up from 11 till I reach 8, and I will draw my bar. Now I draw my histogram. Now I want to draw the frequency polygon. How can I draw the frequency polygon? I have to bisect my histogram. I will put a point in the middle of the histogram, bisect it like this. And then I will join with line segments between these dots. I will start joining the first dot to the second dot, and then to the third, to the fourth, and to the fifth. This is called the frequency polygon. In letter A, what's the number of students who donated by 7 pounds and more? Let's see. I have here the number of students who donated by 7 pounds and more. Okay, this is from 7 pounds and more. How many students? I have here 7 pounds, 15, and then more than it, 10, and more than it, I have 8 students. So I will add 15 plus 10 plus 8, because this 7 and more. So 15 plus 10 plus 8, it's equal to 33 students. In number 3, Ola and Narjus registered the temperature degrees which are expected for 30 cities in one of summer days through watching the news in television. They formed the following frequency table: temperature, degree, and the number of cities. I have the temperature from 20 to 25, 4 cities, from 25 to 30, 3 cities, from 30 to 35, 9 cities, from 35 to 40, 7 cities, from 40 to 45, 2 cities, and from 45 to 50, I have to add one more at the end, 5 cities. Draw the frequency curve for the previous table and then answer the following question. Let's first draw the frequency curve. I will prepare my graph paper. I will draw my x-axis and my y-axis. I will put the temperature on the x-axis and the number of cities on the y-axis. My origin point 0, it's the intersecting point between the x-axis and the y-axis. And then I will put the temperature as it is on the x-axis. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and I will add one more 50. And then on the y-axis, I have here the number 4, 3, 9, 7, so I will use table 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I have to make sure that all my numbers here are found on the y-axis. And then I will start drawing the frequency polygon. I have first to draw the histogram. So I have from 20 to 25, the temperature, I have 4 cities. So I will go up from 20 till I reach 4, and then I will draw my bar from 20 to 25, 4 cities. And then from 25 to 33 cities. So I will go up from 25 till I reach 3, and I will draw my bar. From 30 to 35, 9 cities. So I will go up from 30 till I reach 9, and then I will go down to draw my bar. From 35 to 47, so I will draw 7, and I will draw my bar. From 40 to 45, 2. So I will go up from 40 to reach 2 on the y-axis. So from 40 to 45, 2. From 45 to 50, I have 5. So I will go up and draw my bar. Then I will bisect my histogram. To draw the frequency polygon, here I have frequency curve. So I have to join between these 2 points, but with my hand, not with the ruler. So I will join between them with a line with my hand, like this. It's a curve, frequency curve. I will do it with my hands. Now let's answer the questions. What's the number of cities whose temperatures degree are 40 degrees and more? Where is 40 degrees? Here 40 degrees and more. So I have 2 cities and 5 cities. 2 plus 5 equal 7 cities. And then, what's the number of cities whose temperatures degree are less than 40 degrees? Less than 40. So let's count the number of cities whose temperature are less than 40. I have 7 plus 9 plus 3 plus 4. So they are 23 cities. What is the number of cities whose temperatures degree are 25 degrees and more? So 25 degrees and more. 25 degrees by 3 and more plus 9 plus 7 plus 2 plus 5. So 3 plus 9 plus 7 plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 25 cities. Booklet page 73. In number 4, the following table shows the extra money which 100 workers got in a month in a factory. They are as follows: the extra money and the number of workers. The extra money I have from 20 to 30, 15 workers, from 30 to 40, 20 workers, from 40 to 50, 20 workers, from 50 to 60, 30 workers, from 60 to 75 workers, from 70 to 80, 10 workers, and the total is 100 workers. I will prepare my graph paper. I'll put my x-axis and my y-axis, and I will plot the extra money on the x-axis, the number of workers on the y-axis, and 0 is my origin point, and I will put the extra money as it is on the x-axis from 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And here I have the number of workers 15, 20, 20, 35, 10. So they are all in table 5, so I can put table 5 on the y-axis. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on. And then I will start drawing my histogram. I have from 20 to 30, 15, so I will go up from 20 till I reach 15. And from 30 to 40, 20, so I will go up from 30 to reach 20. And from 40 to 50, 20 also. From 50 to 60, 30. And from 60 to 75. And from 70 to 80, 10. Then I will bisect my histogram and I will join between these dots or points with my hand to make the frequency curve. So I will join the first point with the second point, and then the third point, fourth point, fifth, and the sixth. Now this is my frequency curve. Here I have a question. What are the number of workers who obtained extra money less than 50 pounds? Let's see, less than 50 pounds. So let's count together. I have less than 50, so less than 50 means 20 plus 20 plus 15. 20 plus 20 plus 15 equals 55 workers.